welcome back to my channel. It is raining, so sorry for the noise in the background, but I am headed to go get brow lamination for the first time. I've looked up hella videos and I thought about doing it myself, but I think for the first time I should just see how it goes with the professional. So I'm gonna go get that done, and I'm gonna take you guys along for the process for anybody that is interested in how it works, what it actually is, and what my results will be. So this is what my brows is looking like currently. I have naturally full brows, thank you to my daddy, so I don't think I'm gonna do the brow tint, just the lamination to try and get a, you know, I want the more like, I don't know, I don't even know what look I'm going for. I'm just trying to see how it works. I usually just get my brows threaded and that makes them look good enough, but you know, we're just gonna try. And the place that I'm going to right now is having a promotion. It's usually like $100, but it's gonna be $75, so that's not too bad. It's probably not anything that I will get like on a consistent basis, because I already spent damn near $100 on my nails, damn near $100 on waxing, and I don't need to spend damn near $100 on my brows too. So I just wanted to give it a try and show you guys what my results are, so let's go. So this is my brow place, brow boutique, and it's super cute inside. Here I am. Oops, sorry. Hi. Reservation? Yes. Your name? Candice. I'm just waiting on my brow tech to come.
Do you have your brows filled in at all right now?
No.
So brow lamination is going to give you like a fluffy feathered look. It lasts about 6 to 8 weeks. So you can get it done about every 2 months. And it's basically just going to give your brows a more defined look. Let's get started.
I'm excited.
Are we waxing or threading your brows?
Threading.
And also, do you want tint too?
How much would that be?
It's included in the lamination.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just because I don't want them to be like super bold, because
no, I'm gonna give it a very like soft on.
Yes.
I gotcha. Perfect. I'm just cleaning the area first.
So what step is this?
This is the first step.
Is it cleaning it out?
No, it's basically just applying that adhesive just to straighten out the brows.
Okay.
So this is the second step, which is basically the processor.
So it's kind of like a relaxer, like a...
Yeah, that's what I tell people. It's like a relaxer for your brows.
Yeah.
Even smells like it too.
Fun. At least it doesn't burn like it does. Well, I don't know if you've ever had a relaxer on your hair.
Yeah, I have actually.
Yeah?
I actually have really curly hair.
Okay.
Especially my daughter's hair is super curly.
At least it doesn't burn like that. And this is to help it process, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave this, she said, for about 8 minutes.
So this is just gonna be neutralizing the treatment. It's gonna stay on for about 5 minutes also. Trimming the brows, and then I'm gonna go in and shape it with the thread and then tint.
Now we're gonna thread. And this is a tint?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like it would be like dark.
I'm doing like a light brown
Oh,
line.
okay.
Because you don't want it dark.
Yeah.
It'll look really pretty. It'll still give you like a filled in defined look.
I trust you.
Oh, that's good.
And this helps shape it, like
The tint?
no,
Well,
with the Q-tip, but you're doing
Yes.
now. Okay.
perfects it. Keeps it from a messy look.
This brow always is like real different. Like it doesn't have like that sharp beginning. So I don't know about this one, but I'm loving this one so far. So I just went in and asked her to kind of like straighten this one out to match this one, and it looks much better. And then she took the what's called the tint off of the beginning, like the front part, just to give it a little bit of an ombre effect, so it's not like really harsh right at the beginning. So I'm excited to see how it turns out. I'm like really red, but it usually goes down pretty quickly. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm gonna leave here, take this mask off so I can tell you guys what my thoughts are. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm back at home, and actually since I left the brow place, I've done my own little tweezing and brushing because I'm very particular with my brows. Like I like my brows a specific way, and I didn't really communicate. I didn't show any pictures. I didn't, you know, tell her exactly like the shape that I like my brows in. So that's on me. But I just came home, played with it a little bit, like brushed it, and I actually like the results a lot better than I did when I first left. And this is what they look like. The shape is really nice. I do feel like she didn't do a great job with the threading because, like, I don't know, that my brows are like super short and like chopped. You can't tell because I put some brow gel on it to kind of like stick it where I want it to be. But like a lot of these hairs are like super duper short and like choppy, and I don't really like that. As far as like the actual lamination, I don't know, I feel like this is how my brows look when I just get threading. Even with the tinting, like I got tinting, I did everything. I spent $80 because it's 75 plus tip, and I feel like my eyebrows look how they look when I spend $12 at the mall. So I don't know, do you feel like this is a huge difference? I already have naturally thick brows, and I think maybe if she would have done a better job with the threading, I would be a little bit more impressed, because I shouldn't spend that much money and then have to come home and like tweeze. It was a bunch of little hairs up here, a bunch of little hairs down here. Maybe she like snipped them too much to where she couldn't get them with the thread after. I don't know what the case was. But overall, I really like my brows. I just don't know if it was worth the money. Actually, it wasn't worth the money. It wasn't worth $80 to get this done, at least for me. I think somebody with a more sparse brow, somebody who really needs a lot of filling in, really needs, you know, a lot of work to get their brows fuller. For me personally, I don't feel like I needed that. But she cute for now. You know, I'm not mad at it at all, especially when I go to fill them in, like when I do my makeup. Like, I know it's gonna be super cute. So I'm not saying that they look bad. I'm just saying that as far as worth, as far as coin that was spent, as far as, you know, $80, not so much. So if you guys have had your brows laminated, let me know what your experience was in the description box, in the comment box below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. That really helps my channel. And make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also, one last thing, just one more thing. Turn on your post notifications so you know when I post a new video. I post every Wednesday and Sunday. So keep up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I can't keep on